Welcome everybody, thanks for joining us. We're over here at Florida Boy Customs, High Spring, Florida. As you guys know, I'm the Twisted Artisan, also known as the Traveling Trimmer. This is like a 4-mile trip for me because I'm right down the street. I'm loving it. As I came here, he's building these awesome door panels. He's got an amazing project going on. But instead of doing some stack fabbing, or you were going to use mold fabric over here?
Yeah, I was going to use some fleece, some Georgia fleece, and then fiberglass.
Yeah, we're going to use some fleece.
You only get what you get.
Exactly.
You get what you get.
The problem with the fleece is it gives you a straight angle. You can't put any curves or radiuses in it.
Yeah.
To where this right here, we're going to mix it up. It's primarily used to make boats float, but I found years ago that you can mix this, pour it on your item. You can sand it really easy, almost with your hand. I would still use sandpaper, but you'll be able to sand it. Then you're going to put some resin over top of it. It's just a real big shortcut to give you time for the customer and to get that cool look that everybody's going for. 3-dimensional, adding speakers. You can still do all that stuff. You can still backlight it. It does take some technical skills as you play with it and learn with it. But right now we're going to pour and fill these and show you how we get them to contour really nice. So this is 1-to-1.
1-to-1, and listen.
Now the downside is you got 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
So when we start this, he's got 20 seconds to get both parts in there, 1-to-1, mix it, and pour it. Are you ready?
Too close? Oh yeah. Let's run it, bud.
So this is pretty awesome. Here we go. I'm excited to see. I get to be a spectator, although it's kind of, I got to show them this cool product. I get to be a spectator and watch them use it for the first time. Really exciting for me. As you guys know, I'm all into teaching. I want to see all the upholstery shops out there across the country succeed. And this guy's really pushing the envelope consistently. Well, you are. I mean, I see you, you're at the Daytona show. I follow you. I mean, let's just be honest. I'm not going to be a secret stalker. I'm out there in the open.
Follow you, man.
That's right.
I do like looking at all your videos. You do a great job.
I talk too much, but that's okay.
See, I don't talk at all.
Yeah. And just so you know, I'm going to go ahead and point out, he said he was uncomfortable doing this. So, I was telling him I'm the same way. I put my glasses on. I feel good behind the camera.
I gotta stir and
You're gonna pour it in, and then you're gonna immediately start stirring. Stirring.
I feel like I should have like a thing.
I'm gonna actually grab this and give you guys a close-up live. There we go. There you go. Spin, spin, spin.
Hold on, wait.
So it gets milky like that?
That's
It's like
it.
caramel. Turns caramel. Now pour? That's it? And then after, if I don't have any, if like say I didn't pour enough this first time, right?
Yeah. So what?
I can go back, like sand this out, kind of shape it, and then go back and just
Pour it again.
pour it again on top of that.
Yeah, like I said, I mean, we're talking maybe 40 minutes to have the exact shape that you want. So what do you guys think? If you're still live with us, I mean, you saw it right in front of your eyes. Elevate, you mix it, it's real fast. You're gonna get to see some sanding. That's gonna be the next step. We're gonna go ahead and cut away for a little bit, let this cure. There's no reason to keep it running, and we'll show you what the next step is. Tune in throughout the day. You'll see the process, and if not, check out my YouTube channel, Twisted Artisan. I believe he went live on his Instagram channel as well, Florida Boy Customs. Definitely give us both subscribes. We appreciate it. seeing that you enjoy this so much, I'm gonna go ahead and knock that one down. But so the next step is he's gonna knock the bulk off. We'll give it a basic form, and then where we have a couple missed spots, we'll do another pour. About 20 minutes or so, we'll be able to put another sand on it, and before the night's over, we should be able to do a coat of fiberglass resin and have it ready to start sanding or wrapping in the morning tomorrow. All right, so we're at the last step of the two-part epoxy foam. To be honest, Corbin's kind of on the edge whether he likes it or not. He definitely doesn't like all the dust. My thoughts are, if you're using fiberglass and Bondo, you're gonna kind of have the same dust. PVC, if you're using kind of stack fab, that's got its own type of dust. But I understand, you are dusty, it is hot outside, this is Florida. We are down to putting the fiberglass on there. We're gonna put some base coat on just to give it some strength. Now, one of the pluses with this style of fabrication is if you use the mold cloth, you're actually pulling the material, stapling it on, and then when you put the fiberglass resin on there, it has a real tendency to draw up. Now the structure's already formed. There's nothing pulling against the mainstay of the door panel. So when we add the fiberglass resin, all it's doing is hardening the shell, giving it extra support. So there really shouldn't be any warping or pulling, anything of that nature. Plus, this door panel is extremely light if you were to compare it to stack fab, or if you filled this thing full of Bondo and did the old style of door speaker fiberglass mods. This is an update. It is a bit messy, but I do have an ABS way to mold the door panel. I'm gonna show you guys that next, but I want some love on my YouTube channel. Please go over there and subscribe, as well as the Florida Boy Customs. If you're hitting up Instagram, you gotta check him out. I've really enjoyed being here, and these things are in the progress. I hope you guys stay tuned to see the final results. Alright, so the fiberglass is the last step for tonight. Tomorrow he'll come in, put a nice light sand on, put some padding over top of it, then the door panels are ready to cover. But we're going to leave the full reveal for the reveal of the video, the main video. You guys have watched it to this point. Let me know what you guys think. Give me some feedback. Is it too much trouble? Do you like it? Do you want to see the ABS door panels? Definitely drop a comment in the section below on this video here, and I'll see you next time.